Hello, my dear children. Welcome to Mira's math class.
Children, this is worksheet 2 from Fun with Patterns chapter. So, what pattern is being followed for each question? Let's see. I'm using the pencil to make you understand first. Okay? So, 52, 57, 62, 67. If you observe, the ones place is increasing by 5. Okay? And the tens place, you see how the pattern is? 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, isn't it? Or the pattern is, you can write down that it is plus 5. The pattern is plus 5. Then, let's write the answer. 72, 77, 82, 87. How I got? Either you can watch this and write, or you can add 67 plus 5, 72, 72 plus 5, 77, 77 plus 5, 82, 82 plus 5, 87. Okay, so let's move to the next question. B number 1, 3, 5, 7. These all are odd numbers, as well as the next it is plus 2. The pattern is plus 2. So the answer will be 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. That means these all are odd numbers. Let's move to C number. Children, to understand what is the pattern for each this series or you can say numbers, you can subtract. That means you can find out the difference and you can then decide what it is. How did I know that it is plus 2? Because I have subtracted 1 from 3, 3 from 5, 5 from 7. In this way I found out that the pattern is plus 2. Now, here it is 30, 27, 24, 21. You know, 30 and 27 difference is 3. 27, 24 difference is 3. 24, 21 difference is 3. So, here the pattern is minus 3. Either you can write here even odd numbers for your reference. Okay. Or this minus 3 also you can see that it is 3 table. It is and 3 table in descending form. Okay. 3 tens are 30, 3 nines are 27, 3 eights are 24, 3 sevens are 21, 3 sixes are 18. Then 3 fives are 15. Like this you can do, or minus 3. 18 minus 3, 15, 15 minus 3, 12, 12 minus 3, 9. Both the patterns works on this. Then number D. Let's move to number D. In this D number you can see, let me move the down. In D number 100, 90, 80, 70, these all are in multiples of 10, or you can say 10 table in descending form, isn't it? In descending form. So it will be 60, 50, 40, 30. Okay. So this is the pattern followed in descending order, 10 table in descending order. Now let's see what is followed in number E. You can see here 1, 3, 7, 13. But if you find the difference of 1 and 3, it is plus 2. 3 and 7, that means 7 minus 3, you do, that is 4. That means 3 plus 4 is 7. Then how much you see here? 7 and 13, the difference is 6. It is plus 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. Then you see there is a pattern followed in the differences. What is that? Can you say? Plus 2, plus 4, plus 6. Then you write plus 8, plus 10, plus 12, plus 14. Okay? Let's see. 13 plus 8 is how much? You can add if you want, or you can write the answer as 21 after adding. 21 plus 10 is 31. 31 plus 12. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 43. 43 plus 14. 3 plus 4, 7. 4 plus 1, 5. This is very important and this is different than others. Okay. Here the same pattern is repeating, but here we have to find the difference and then apply the pattern. What is F number? Let's see. 11 plus 11, 22, 33, 44. So here also you can see that this is 11 table, but in ascending order. Okay. So after 44 what you will get? 55, 66, 77, then 88. Let's move to number bit G. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. What is the pattern here followed? Let's see. Here 2 and 4 difference is 2. 4 and 8 difference is 4. 8 and 16 the difference is 8. 16 and 32 difference is 16. So can you understand what is repeated? See, let me write down. 2, 4, 2 is the difference. 4 and 8, the difference is 4. 8 and 16, difference is 16. 16 and 32, this is 8. 16 and 32, difference is 16. What it is going on? 2, 4, 8, 16. So, it is multiplied by 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. So, here you are multiplying 2 with the next number. So, into 2. The pattern is into 2. 32 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Then 64 into 2. 4 2s are 8. 6 2s are 12. Into 2. 8 2s are 16, 6, 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 2 1s are 2. Then into 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 1. 2 5s are 10. Plus 1, 11. 1 again. Keep 1. 2 2s are 4. 1, 5. So this pattern is for number G. Let's move to H. Okay. Now, what is this? 99, 101, 103, 105. Here you see the difference is plus 2. 99 plus 2 is 101. 101 plus 2, 103. 103 plus 2, 105. Then 105 plus 2, 107. 107 plus 2, 109. 109 plus 2, 111. 111 plus 2, 113. So this is the pattern of H number. Let's move to I. 9, 109, 209. So here we are adding 100. The difference from 109 and 9, 100. 109 and 209, 100. So add 100 to this 209. That is 309. Add 100 to 309, 409. Again add 100, 509. Again add 100 to 509, that is 609. So here the pattern moves with plus 100. Let's move to number bit J. 586. 586, 686, 786. So what's the pattern being followed here? Plus 100. Here also it is plus 100. Because you see tens place and ones place are the same in all the numbers, but only the hundreds place is changed. 5, 6, 7. So next add 100, 886, 986, 1086, 1186. So here the pattern is followed for adding 100. I hope children you understood this and you can do any such questions further. Now you are going to watch this video 2 to 3 times, understand it and then write in your copy. Thank you children.